Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is May 9, 2024, Thursday. Option expiry for Nifty. First the levels of various indices, then the power of technical analysis. So first, FinNifty. FinNifty closed at 21,093.50, 1.5% down. What happened? Yesterday, if you recollect, it formed a doji, and this is all very decisive, very confusing thing. The reason is very simple, because after such a big downtrend, a doji means normally selling is arrested. One can infer that way, but it can also be a continuation pattern. I reiterated the same point yesterday as well, but it turned out to be a continuation pattern. Why? Because it was not able to, FinNifty was not able to take above the Bollinger Middle Band and the 20-day exponential moving average, and now which it had broken yesterday, it is now decisively below that. In fact, it has broken down the 50-day exponential moving average as well, but slightly below the 50-day simple moving average. The key question now here is that, is the downward trend going to continue tomorrow also? If it happens, you can expect a big further fall in the market. So which I have been telling for quite some time. People have to be cautious. People were very casual, laid back and saying that nothing will happen. Many things will happen if market continues this fall. And again, one more thing, see, all said and done, okay, we have to wait for the election results and anything can happen. All these things are all, you are getting different pictures, right? Different parties claiming different things, and in this kind of uncertain environment, it is better to wait and watch, because at least at this point in time, we know that the current government is going to continue and there is going to be continuity. That is there. But still, one has to be cautious, and one should be cautious in taking their position. Don't expose too much into the market. If you're an investor, the story is different, right? The story is completely different. But if you're a trader, you have to be extremely cautious. In fact, I see in Twitter a lot of people losing a lot of money, tons and tons of money. In fact, I am surprised. It's straight easy for us to make money in this market, because it's a one direction, one dimensional, simple downtrend. That's what it is, right? BankNifty, the story is the same. 487.90, 1.1% down. Here again, it is below the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average. Of course, well below the Bollinger Middle Band and the 20-day exponential moving moving average. Now the only support, the immediate support, I wouldn't call only support. There are many supports available. The 20-week exponential moving average. Then you have the Bollinger Lower Band, 100-day simple and 100-day exponential moving average. Then deep down is the 200-day. So of course 200-day is too far away, and I don't think it will go to that level. Probably some amount of serenity and calmness will come in the market in the short term, because it has been extremely oversold in the short term. But believe me, markets can stay in oversold position for many days. How it can be a overbought position for many days. Same story will continue. Nifty on the other hand, if you recollect, yesterday it formed a solid green candle. Some people call it as a counter attack candle. So if that happens, the next candle can be either continuous up move. If the momentum is there, if momentum is missing, the bears had a counter attack today. It's like typically one were to draw a parallels of IPL. It's like the bears were in, the bowling team was in complete control. They took 5 wickets. Suddenly somebody came and hit 30 runs in 2-3 overs. So things were turning around, but then bears came back again, took another 3 wickets in 1 over, and the match is over. It's something like that. So what had happened, Nifty, it closed 1.5% down, 21,957.50, solid big red candle. It opened gap down below the yesterday's close. That's one. So that itself tells, right, when yesterday it had a solid green candle, and if it opens below yesterday's open, that means it is very clear that means something has happened overnight. The bulls and market has decided to take a movement in a particular direction, which is on the downward side. That's obvious. Of course, many people say, I don't know, I got trapped and all those things. That means no. Unfortunately, without knowing technical analysis, they are trading. They are bound to lose. Whatever money they have made, it is their good deeds done by their parents, family, wife, husband, whatever is there, the families have done the good deed. Otherwise, this kind of amateurs are bound to lose big time in this market. So it formed a solid red candle Nifty and closed below the Bollinger Lower Band. Yesterday, now let's come to the power of technical analysis. Yesterday we had said that the level on the upward side, because we had said that the Bollinger upper band and the lower band, it will operate between that. In fact, we ourselves were expecting that Bollinger Lower Band to hold at least for today. I thought that it will close slightly above and then tomorrow it will go, but it closed below the Bollinger Lower Band. See the power of technical analysis. Of course, below which is the 20-week exponential moving average. So these are the levels one has to dynamically watch and play. So the technical analysis is the key for one's success in trading. If you are an investor, I have told multiple times, you don't need any intelligence. All you have to do is that pick up the top Nifty 50 stocks, invest in any stocks, or invest in a weightage in assign in Excel. You keep investing on like an SIP, you will make money, or go to mutual funds, you will make money in the long run. That's going to happen. But overall, the market is in a significant downtrend. Of course, today we are not going to cover the various sectors and nothing, because no, we have some family rituals happening. Hence, no, I did not track the market closely. Towards the just a few hours back, I started looking at the market. And whatever little I could understand from the market movement today, I am just giving this. Hence, no, I analyzed extensively the Nifty, Nifty and BankNifty. I didn't go much into the individual components, but few components I want to touch upon, which I analyzed. And on the face of it, we know HDFC Bank is almost near 1450 levels, and it is on a significant downtrend. There are people who will say that HDFC 1x into 2x, 3x book, all those things they will say, fundamentals. See, fundamentals have to be fundamentals. They should not be mixed with technicals, and it is in a significant downtrend. Hence, no, please stay away, because it has decisively broken down the 50-day simple moving average. So one has to be extremely cautious, and it is sliding down below the Bollinger Lower Band. The second stock I would say is that Reliance. It is also on a downtrend. Though yesterday we had a good short covering, first reversal. I had said that first reversal to be ignored. Today it formed a reversal down, and it started continuing its downward pattern, downward movement. So all the banking stocks are down. So in fact, SBI made a big up move, but it couldn't hold at the higher levels. Kotak is something which after a significant fall, it has due to short covering, it has gone. So people will come and say, oh, Kotak, it has recovered, all the worries are over. Nothing, no hurries, please hold on. The further worry is going to come in Kotak Bank. I am purely telling from a technical perspective, because the last 2 days, it is not, you can look at whichever way one wants. One can say that no, it is half full or half empty. Okay, technically one has to be sound. So what had happened yesterday, it closed below the Bollinger, below the key exponential moving average. Today once again it is closing there. So when it is forming such resistance at these key levels, and there is a gap down that happened, it is near that level. Unless otherwise it decisively breaks past those level, you can have a fall which will be more forceful than what we had seen in the last days in Kotak. Hence, I would say that if somebody is smart, just look at it, discuss with your investment advisor or fund or SEBI registered, whoever is there, you register with them, but just take a proper look at Kotak Bank. It's not looking good technically, so it's a false trap to attract more people, but the fall, another big fall is imminent. That's what I would say on Kotak Bank. So the only other bank that looks a little relatively okay is ICICI, and Axis Bank is sideways in the short term with downward bias, and SBI is something looking okay, but IndusInd Bank is another bank which has gone down, and the Bajaj Twins, certain people I have seen, TV fundamental analysts will come and say, oh, great buy in Bajaj Twins. Please don't enter. It's on a significant downtrend, particularly when the results were announced last week, this Monday I think, right, where it opened a significantly gap up, after which it formed a very big, it was like a big building, 5 stories building, it was something like that. It formed a solid red candle. That's a clear indication that is on a significant downtrend. So please stay away from that. Hence, this time, if you are an investor, you can wait. Market is not going to run away. Wait for some more time. Wait for look opportunity. Let things settle down. Probably another week or so things can settle down. So then time to enter, or it's better you can enter after 15 days where absolutely things will be stable. Then you can always enter the market. I mean, what I'm saying, I'm not saying after 15 days it will be stable. What I am saying here is that let stability come in the market in the near term, then one can think of. If you're a trader, be a smart trader, learn technical analysis, otherwise you are going to be out. Today, IT stocks little bit supported, but otherwise overall it's in a big downward trend, and if IT also falls, you can see where Nifty will be. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will not be putting our videos because, as I said, that the family rituals are there, and this weekend also we will not put our global market videos. Starting Monday we will be regularly putting our videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for your continued support.